Hey, everybody, welcome to another episode of Real Deal Hustle. Please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor, so anything I say right here, just take it with a grain of salt. And if you're going to invest your money in these stocks that I'm talking about, please make sure to do your due diligence. So, the first stock that I'm going to start off with is GTE. GTE is an energy company, and everybody know that Biden is really going to be on clean energy. That's a big thing with him. And this is like one of the lowest stocks here. It's only at 65 cents a share. So this has a lot of room to grow. Analysts are predicting for this stock to get all the way up to $1.63 in the next couple of months. So, you can triple your money or even four times it, because we all know that if it goes up to that $1.20, hopefully it'll make it to two. That's really how long I'm thinking about sticking in with this. So like I said before, this stock right here is only 65 cents. As you can see that it went to a low of 64, but then it decided to settle at 65.89. And I think that I bought in around there. I'm going to take a look at my position in this stock, but I believe that's where I got in here. But let's check out the news first of this stock. So let's see what Stock Invest says about GTE. So they put GTE as a buy. You can see that's in the green. So it's not a hold candidate. It is a buy candidate. And like I told you all before, I really truly feel like this has room to even four times. But you can see that it went up 3.75%. So it has a lot of room to grow and it's steady climbing, and it's a lot more people that's investing in this stock. The volume has went up on this stock, so it's expected to rise 140%. So all the way up to $2.06. So like I was saying, I said probably $1.60 to $2. So $2.06 is what they're predicting this stock to do. So it's best to get as many shares as you can now before everybody start to talk about this stock and more investors get in this stock and drive the volume up on this stock. So they feel like it's a kind of overvalued stock. If it was at 83 cents, we all know that it opened up today at 68 cents. So like I said, if you want to invest in a clean energy stock, this is the stock that I suggest that you get in because of the low buy-in price of 65 cents. You can really triple your money, especially if you can get a lot of shares in this. Now, I have only a little bit amount of shares, but I am going to raise my shares, okay? So here is my hustle high. I'm going to buy the dip on Sensonic. Now, Sensonic got all the way up to $2.76. I believe it has a low of 262, I believe. So I'm going to try to catch it at the low. I'm thinking about buying into this stock today. I'm going to take a look at it. And if it gets to that price of 262, I'm going to get in. But I've made money on Sensonic multiple times. So let's see what they're saying about Sensonic on Stock Invest. So Stock Invest has rated it a stronger buy. So it's not a weak buy. It's a stronger buy. It's in the green. So like I was saying before, you might want to get in now while it's around the 272 to 275 range, or you could wait for it to dip a little more. I think that this is going to dip. I think it's going to get down about 262. If it gets down to 262, if I was you, I will pounce on this stock and try your best to build your position there. I'm probably going to build my position right now with 100 shares and continue weekly until I get up to like about 500 shares. And I'm going to let that 500 shares ride, kind of like how I'm doing with Jaguar, which I believe I have 600 in Jaguar Health. So they feel like the stock will be overvalued right now, 273. I kind of disagree with that, but I do believe that this stock is going to triple or four times the amount that you put in. So remember, keep in mind that I'm not a long-term investor. Now, CCIV, what I decided to do with CCIV is go for the fast money on this. I believe that they're not going to announce it maybe until next week. I have no shares in this. So the only position I have in this is a put. I decided to place a put on this, and I'm just going to make as much as I can during the dip. This is not a long put for me, because anytime they can announce the merger and instantly your whole investment will be gone, like it'll be shot. It won't going to fall down. So I'm going to keep this probably until Friday, end of day Friday, and I'm getting out of it. And then next week, I'll place a call on it and expect for them to announce the merger anytime this month. So I'll place a call on it probably up until March, but I did decide to put a put on this. So if you're seeing this video, if I was you, I'll try to put a put on this. See how much money you can make as it go down. So it'll most likely be either a day trade or a swing trade for you. But I would not stay in this play until Monday or Tuesday, because the longer you stay in the play, the longer you're chancing it for them to go ahead and announce the merger. And like I said, when they announce the merger, it's going to rocket to the moon. I'm thinking it's going to go straight to $40, $45 instantly. So do your put. Then come behind and do a call. Okay. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. Please take what I say with a grain of salt. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.